Welcome, Info is an EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and simply find the power saving toggle. Tap on it, select turn on, and there we go. We are now in power saving mode, which you can see based on the little outline on the battery itself. This is just as an indicator that it is enabled. Now, apart from just enabling this, which will do some weird stuff, like for instance disabling your Wi-Fi and mobile network when the device is not being used for some extended period of time, which I would also mention does cause you to not receive updates, notifications related to internet connection. So if you get a Facebook I don't know, message or something like that, this won't, basically with the power saving mode, you won't receive it till you interact with the device. Just putting that out there so you are fully aware of it. But outside of enabling this, if you want to extend your battery a little bit further, you could simply drop the max brightness. This does give you a decent amount of extra battery life just by dropping it, and it's such a simple thing that I thought I would mention it. And that being said, once you're done with this, all you need to do is tap on the toggle once more and everything will go back to normal. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.